యాక్షన్.
హలో అనూప్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నారా?
సో
Thank you.
బాగున్నారు.
Yeah.
సో తెలుగు వచ్చా కొంచెం అయినా?
తెలుగు కొంచెం మాత్రమే.
కొంచెం మాత్రమే. ఆదిలాబాద్ అని విన్నాను. హౌ కమ్ అంటే తెలుగు రాకుండా? లైక్
Born and brought up in Bombay, no? That's why Marathi language is the third language there in the school.
ఓకే.
So more Marathi I could learn faster.
సో ఇంట్లో ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకోలేదా?
Very slight Telugu, but I understand everything.
సో మొత్తం ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నా సో మీకు తెలుగులోనే క్వశ్చన్స్ వేయచ్చు అనమాట చక్కగా.
You can, yeah, absolutely.
సో ఎలా మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీకి ఎలా జర్నీ?
How was my movie industry journey?
Yeah.
See, now I know.
Yeah, I told movie and journey. What is the big deal?
Yes, so started off after 2015. I won this competition called Mr. World 2015. The first movie cracked with the Rogue movie, Puri Jagannath.
Yeah.
Launched me as a hero there.
Very big launch actually.
Big launch it was.
Yeah, you know, right? అంటే ఇక్కడ తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో who is Puri garu and what is his
I knew, that's why I came to Hyderabad to look for Puri Garu first.
Okay.
First I searched Puri Garu. I gave audition for the movie, Rogue movie. I got to know about Psycho character by evening that you are finalized for it. And my journey started from there, and then from there I jumped on to Winner movie, Singham 3.
Yeah.
I did one Hindi film also, Commando 2 in between. So 2017, 4 movies came in February and March itself. So that was the craziest year for me.
Okay.
Established completely. So I think it started from Puri sir. Yes.
So ఎలా అనిపించింది మా తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ?
बहुत अच्छी लगी. अभी तक 10 फिल्म हो गई हैं. 10वीं फिल्म अभी शूट कर रहा हूँ. 10th फिल्म एंड रवि तेजा सर के साथ. यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. लोग इतने प्रोफेशनल हैं, इसीलिए वापस आने का मन करता है.
Okay.
तकरीबन 2-3 महीने में आपका काम एकदम ज़बरदस्त हो जाता है. रिस्पेक्ट बहुत है, फैंस का प्यार बहुत है, और पैसा भी बहुत है. अच्छा है.
पैसा भी बहुत है?
पैसा भी ठीक है.
Sure?
ठीक है.
आप ही बोल रहे हो बहुत है
ठीक
करके.
है. इंडस्ट्री में बहुत पैसा है. मिलता कम है सब. That's fine.
तो आपको मिल रहा है अच्छी खास?
डिसेंट है, अभी जैसा है वैसा है. आशीर्वाद है लोगों का.
So only villain roles, not heroic or hero
Of course, I did one heroic role in Udgharsha movie. So I'm playing in hero as well as villain, both ways में. अभी
Okay, both ways you only.
In both characters I'm okay to play.
Okay.
अभी रवि तेजा सर की फिल्म में I'm not a villain, I'm not a hero. It's a very parallel lead role.
Okay.
It's a parallel role. तो अपनी मेरी स्टोरी है इसमें, और कैरेक्टर ग्रे शेड कैरेक्टर. So I think I'm enjoying this also more. Yeah.
సో పూరి గారితో ఫస్ట్ మూవీ. సో ఎలా అనిపించింది అంటే పూరి గారి గురించి మీకు ఏం అర్థమైంది? వాట్ డు యు అండర్స్టాండ్?
What do I understand of Puri sir? That काम बोलने दो, लेकिन इंसान सिंपल रहना.
Okay.
Simplicity. You will find him as a very simple guy, approachable person.
So action speaks more than
His action speaks more louder than his words.
Okay.
You'll meet him, he will make you sit down, have nice good food, drinks, whatever you want to. He'll party with you. He'll party till 2:30, but so professional that 8 o'clock he will be on set, all with red eyes, but he will be there. He will not sleep if he has to.
Okay.
So I learned that professionalism and belief, and is very quick to understand. What I liked about him is that he gave me full space and confidence. You do however you want to. I have faith that you will do it. So automatically, when a director trusts you so much, you tend to perform better.
సో రోల్ ఏంటి యాక్చువల్గా? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ గోల్?
Goal is to do mainstream cinema as a hero eventually, but started off with so many roles as a villain.
You have that in mind?
I
दिमाग में
had a
है
goal
हीरो
at the back
बनना है
of my
करके?
mind. एक दिन बनूंगा जरूर, because देखिए धीरे-धीरे जितनी फिल्में की हैं, वो फिल्मों से समझ में आ रहा है कि एक लर्निंग प्रोसेस है ये.
Okay.
तो धीरे-धीरे with every project you learn कि okay, I can do this better, or I can do this better. So you start understanding the art of filmmaking and the certain performances. So this was the original goal, but I never thought that I will reach there. I thought कि it's okay, as long as even if I'm the central character like a villain in the film, people will like me, my job is done.
Okay.
But ambitions started changing better and better.
And अभी मतलब now you want to become a hero, like that's one part. Okay, that's a
Abhi
goal.
automatically I became.
You became.
in
You want to
coming.
become a very successful hero. But
Better at my
how
work.
is it possible? Like audience will look you as a villain, right? So how do you want to change that?
That is exactly why I want to become a hero, to change that image completely.
Okay.
Because I believe ये audience के दिमाग में हम as a character ही जा सकते हैं. So if I do a character of that power and passion and if I do it well, justify it very well, तो वो ऐसा देखिए ऐसा कुछ है नहीं दिमाग में बैठा हुआ कि हीरो है और विलन है तो विलन, ऐसा नहीं है. आज की फिल्में जैसी आ रही हैं, there is no specific term as a villain and hero.
Yeah, now it's changed.
People are
The terms
loving
have
whatever.
changed.
Even if you have one scene in the film, people will still remember you. Or that scene was amazing. That actor was very amazing.
Okay.
So my initial always was this: कि मैं दिल में हूँ ना, बस हो गया. If you like my performance, I am successful. It doesn't matter whether I'm a villain or hero. But now, because I've got this as a central role, the lead in the coming up, in the coming Hindi film that I'm doing, I started feeling something new from within me.
Okay.
It's a very new feeling. So अभी मुझे वो खुद जीना है. I have to experience what it feels like to become the central, and then so everything I will try to do justice and try to change the perspective. That's why I cut my hair for the first time.
Yeah.
As a villain in all the movies, if you'll see, I had
Yeah.
long hair, the
Yes.
beauty shots, slow motion shots, and all that.
This and that. Just
all
like
that
a-
full this and that and all that.
Okay.
Suddenly, I cut my hair short, come as a very normal guy.
Okay.
Even in Khiladi movie, you'll see my face expressions have come out very well compared to the long hair look. 'Cause
So how come from pilot to this?
pilot was initial career. I started off as pilot was because I wanted to fly planes and the passion was there that to fly planes. I'm only good at doing two things: flying plane or
Acting.
acting. That's all. But
Okay.
flying planes, after a while, I understood कि recession चालू था काफ़ी, तो एयरलाइन सेक्टर सारे बंद थे, तो घर पे बैठने से तो अच्छा है मैं कुछ काम करूं. बिकॉज फैमिली के ऊपर प्रेशर भी था, डैड के ऊपर प्रेशर भी था, बिकॉज आई हैड huge amount of money was invested to become a pilot. It's
Okay.
not an easy job.
Yeah.
So I wanted to return that money back to my father. I want to help you out, So I said I'll do some auditions and I'm good at that. But Kaika good, I was not good at all, anything. Nobody initially, even Doordarshan channel initially said no, we'll try somebody else.
Why? Like looks wise, you're perfect and.
No, but acting is an art. You don't know, na. I would freak out looking at the camera, people staring at me. I'll forget my
Initially.
dialogues initially. Like action. Sir, he's looking at me. It's like that.
Okay.
So it was like that initially. And then धीरे धीरे वो confidence एक आने लगा, shyness चला गया, camera shyness चली गई. And my ego, how am I not able to get it? Now I'll make sure I get it. I'll learn it. So my failures, मेरे failures जो हैं शुरू के, उन्होंने मुझे as an actor बनाया.
Okay.
Sometimes you give up on things, right? After a while, कि नहीं हो रहा जाने तो छोड़ देते हैं.
Yeah. Few people will do that.
Few people will do that. What I did was कि कैसे नहीं हो रहा मैं वो देखता हूँ. Now I have to make it a point and prove it to my parents that I can become an actor also.
So now you're stubborn also.
Very stubborn. If I don't get something, I will do every goddamn thing to get it. It's like it's a nature inbuilt.
It's a villain role, villain character.
It's not. It's
actually.
not. If you
Sometimes.
see it in a positive spirit,
Yeah, for positive things.
if I decide something, I will. Yeah.
Yeah, if it is like
Obviously, I
positive.
decide something big and better. Positive only. No?
Positive. Because as a villain, usually people think.
So in the movies, the same way I have learned. For every heroine, I have I want this, and I'll try to get married and all that in the movies. That's why it doesn't work.
And Papa and Mama, what they will say about your negative roles? Like why you are doing? ఎందుకు
No.
చేస్తున్నారు ఇలా అని
My-
ఎప్పుడైనా అడిగారా?
Father was okay, but my mother was like, Anup, now boss, I want to see you as a hero.
Okay.
I can't see you get killed in the last every
Oh,
time.
beatings and
So
killings.
every death scene in every movie that I did, Singham 3, Winner, during the climax, my death scene,
Yeah.
my mother will just close eyes.
Mama ka
She will not
pyar.
see. She will just walk out of the theater.
Oh,
ऐसा कैसा चलेगा? Acting है, देखो.
okay.
But for the first time now in the upcoming movies,
Hindi, you're working for
Hindi.
Okay.
So Singham 3 Hindi remake is happening.
Okay.
With the one that I did with Surya sir.
So
उसमें
jumping into Bollywood also.
हाँ, jumping into Bollywood now as a
So
full-fledged.
stick on to Bollywood or again coming back here?
Coming back here also, but then I want to play a hero here also. Depends, whoever casts me anyhow. But I want to continue working in Telugu film industry later on.
Okay.
Because Telugu film industry has given me love, respect and so many movies out there. Even Kannada movie I did, one Tamil film I did. So I enjoy working here.
Okay.
because I dub in my voice and everything, right? So it's fun for me. So even if I become something, and nowadays there is no difference between Telugu industry or Bollywood industry. I think
Yeah, now
Bahubali
it
was
does
one
all.
answer for everyone.
Yeah, everything is becoming
Now I
like
can see a lot
pan-India
of
movies.
Bollywood actors even coming to Hyderabad to shoot Telugu movies also.
Okay.
So it's quite mixed now. People have started taking talents from Bollywood. Bollywood people have also started taking talents from Telugu film industry. So I think it's quite one now. It's Indian film industry, and I want to do as long as it's in India, I want to do every regional film here.
సో స్టైలిష్ స్టార్ అల్లు అర్జున్తో కూడా వర్క్ చేశారు. సో హౌస్ దాట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
Very good experience. It was for me. Sir is very silent and very focused and professional. But on the set, we managed to become friends in certain way because he liked certain things that I did in the stunts I do by myself. So, for example, so he liked that. I like how you do your stunts. So he was encouraging.
ఓకే.
So when he was encouraging like that, I understood. Okay. He also recommended me to Boyapati Srinu Garu. Okay, you know what? You go there. I'll talk to him.
ఓకే.
So that was a very sweet gesture. Because of him, I was able to meet Boyapati Srinu Garu. So today, Boyapati Srinu Garu, he knows me very well. Though work we have, अभी तक वैसा destiny आया नहीं कि अब हम लोग काम करें, लेकिन the fact that Allu Arjun Garu, because Boyapati sir only said, क्या Allu Arjun sir specially call करके बोले तो मुझे मिलना ही था आपसे. So that was one sweet gesture. So humble is what I thought.
సో తెలుగులో ఏ హీరోయిన్తో యూ వాంట్ టు పేర్ అప్ యాజ్ ఎ హీరో?
As a hero.
డోంట్ గివ్ మీ అ డిప్లొమాటిక్ ఆన్సర్.
Not at all. I'm very Tamanna Bhatia I like. She's good. I like Tamanna Bhatia is good, and ongoing a couple were very few. Rakul Preet, so I have worked with her
యా, విన్నర్.
in Winner movie. I was about to get married to her in the film when the hero says,
Yeah.
I want to. So that all of that has happened.
సో యూ ఫెల్ సో బ్యాడ్?
But Tamanna, I really, she's very good.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
అండ్ తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా, ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాలా ఏంటి?
At what age I came to Telugu film industry?
యూ టోల్డ్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్
Very
ఎవ్రీథింగ్.
little, but some words.
సో యూ స్టిల్ లెర్నింగ్ తెలుగు ఆర్ యూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఆర్?
Still learning, and I will learn fully when I've learned most of my dialogues, so I can understand.
Okay.
But to speak,
No, don't say I
fluent-
can understand. No, what I have asked you, you didn't get
one
that.
other question I will miss. It's fine. You should give me that benefit of doubt. At least I'm able to answer everything properly.
Yeah.
But I'm in the process of learning the language once and for all. There is one film that I'm in talks with to become the hero for that, and for that I will be learning the entire language.
అండ్ విన్నర్లో కూడా యాక్ట్ చేశారు విత్ ద లెజెండరీ యాక్టర్ జగపతి బాబు గారు. సో ఎలా ఉంది? లైక్ హ్యావ్ యూ లెర్న్ సంథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్?
Jagpati Babu Garu, we had very few scenes together.
ఓకే.
But I got to know about Jagpati Babu Garu and his career while working with him. Initially, before that, I was not aware.
ఓకే.
But he still has that star value of his, the way, as if in his, how he had in his prime days, He still had that aura about him. Like he would walk like an Amitabh Bachchan, very like a panther kind of a thing. And the fact that I got to know him a little bit, but I enjoyed working with him. After that, we never worked together.
ఓకే.
We never got a chance actually to work with
యా,
him.
ఇనిషియల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చే ముందు లైక్ హౌ వాస్ అ ఫ్యామిలీ సపోర్ట్? లైక్ యూ టోల్డ్ పైలట్కి ఇట్ వాస్ లైక్ హ్యూజ్ అమౌంట్ యూ హ్యావ్.
Right.
సో అగైన్ ఫ్రమ్ దాట్ టు దిస్ అంటే ఇంట్లో ఒప్పుకోవాలి
They
కదా.
were confused. Okay, why you are wanting to go to acting suddenly? Because there is no connection between pilot and an actor. But
To any field it is not nowhere connected, right?
So I was like, I don't know why, but my heart, मेरा दिल ऐसा बोल रहा है कि मुझे इसमें आना है, एक्टिंग में आना है. कैसे करूँगा मुझे नहीं मालूम था. मुझे ये भी नहीं मालूम था तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मैं काम कैसे करूँगा. कॉन्टैक्ट्स कोई थे नहीं. There were no contacts, nothing. I just know कि मेरा एक cousin रहता है यहाँ पर, far off from here. He used to stay with his family.
Okay.
मैं उनके घर रहता था और रोज वहाँ से आई थिंक 1 घंटा ट्रैवल करके फिल्म नगर आता था, थोड़ा सा लोगों को मिलने के लिए.
Okay.
प्रसाद लैब्स के वहाँ पर, रामा नायडू स्टूडियोज, जस्ट मिलने के लिए. हेलो हाय सर.
Just to build contacts.
हाँ, they used to like my personality. कि हाँ, महाभारतम उस टाइम पे, though it was on Star Plus, actual famous महाभारत अभी हुआ है लॉकडाउन में when it was shown in Telugu everywhere.
Yeah.
So, but that time I had come just fresh out of Mahabharat.
Okay.
So, support तो पहले initially pilot से acting में जब मैं आया तो महाभारत के टाइम पे they were not initially supportive जब तक उन्होंने performance देखा नहीं. But बाद में when I told them I want to go to Hyderabad, I want to start working there also. They didn't know how I was going to do it. Neither I was knowing. But slowly, steadily, एक दिन पुरी जगन्नाथ गारू को मैंने एल्यूमिनियम फैक्ट्री में देखा शूटिंग करते हुए.
Okay.
तो क्राउड में खड़े रह के अपना बैग लेके पोर्टफोलियो लेके आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग ऐसे, अच्छा ही इज शूटिंग. ये पुरी सर है, अच्छा वेरी गुड. आई वांट टू वर्क विद हिम नेक्स्ट ईयर. वेरी स्टबर्ननेस केम आउट.
Yeah.
Next year, Rogue movie, Psycho, he was directing me there.
In the same place, huh?
Same place, same place.
How come ante mythological character you have played in that Mahabharat? Who has identified you as like, अच्छा ठीक है ये भी villain character करता है, like?
No, I changed my entire body language. महाभारत के बाद बाहर आने के लिए मेरे को 2 years, 1 साल लगा proper to get out of the character. Anywhere I was talking also, I was talking like king everywhere. हाथ ऐसा लेके. So people were like, ये हाथ नीचे करके है. तो ये क्या है? हाथ फ्रैक्चर है? नहीं आदत है.
आदत हो गया.
So I'm like, what am I doing all the time? You know, body stand everywhere. I'm standing like, you know, as if I'm a king. I'm sitting like a
This
king.
royalty.
All the time.
Yeah.
So I said, I think this is body is changing every day. Even in the dialogues also, I'm trying to audition. हम आपसे अत्यधिक प्रेम करते हैं. I know that kind of a dialogue I'm saying. तो बोले, sir, it is not Mahabharat. Please calm down. So,
Okay.
so I broke the body language first. And from Maitho, then I convinced Puri Garu. Puri sir called me to Hyderabad for this Psycho character. And he said, this guy is mad mentally. So you have to play a mentally unstable character. So mentally unstable, मैं लगा, okay, I started abusing in the audition hall. बोले पागल है ना, कुछ भी बोलेगा.
कुछ भी बोल.
He liked that style. You know, he's so crazy, he's doing anything. That's how I got the character as a villain.
Okay.
And in Psycho was shown as a very cute kind of he was not a very bad guy, he was just mentally unstable shown.
So other than hero and villain, if you get a nice character artist role, will you able to do it?
I'm already doing one in Khiladi. It's a
Okay.
parallel role.
Yeah, you
it's
told
a
me,
parallel
yeah.
role. It is neither a negative, complete negative, nor a complete positive. A grey shade character. As long as the role is important and it's strong and performance करने को मिले, most importantly, I get to perform. That's all it matters.
So role model ever, like who is your role model?
If in Telugu industry you're saying?
Overall,
I consider Shri Amitabh Bachchan as a very big role model for me, because the only actor from his generation, like the prime, is still very much busy. Work ethics must be so strong, professional, punctual, you know. So I like to be that kind of a personality, and yeah. So I see him as that. I want to become like that at that age.
in that age.
At that age also. No. Today also and that age also.
So what is your ultimate goal?
Ultimate goal in life is just to entertain the people with good films, tell the story as one of the, to be best at my job as an actor, and yeah, that's to entertain through movies all my life, Agi, because this is something I figured out that I love doing, and if you love what you do as a job, then there is a huge scope of doing whatever you want to do, and I love my job.
Which language is tough for you, either Telugu or
For me, Telugu is tougher. Reason being, when I went to do Kannada movie, there people speak only Kannada. They don't know English. They don't speak normally English or Hindi.
Usually.
They will reply also in Kannada. Tamil, they will also reply in Tamil. So you have to converse with them in Tamil.
Okay.
In Telugu, they talk in Hindi, English, normal Hindi, Hyderabadi Hindi,
हाँ.
and then Telugu.
So हैदराबादी हिंदी तो आपको समझ में आ
आता ही
जाएगा.
है मुझे, मैं यहीं का हूँ तो मुझे
Easy
पता
हो
ही है.
जाएगा.
हाँ, बहुत इजी है. लेकिन तेलुगु मुझे पढ़ने के लिए, पहाड़ करने के लिए वो सब इजी है, मगर कुछ टंग ट्विस्टिंग्स हैं वर्ड्स. तो टंग ट्विस्टिंग जहाँ पे लगा मुझे, वहाँ पे एक बार अटका तो गया मैं, ऐसा है. बट आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट. आई लर्न द लैंग्वेज वेरी सून.
Okay. So recent గా తెలుగు మూవీ ఏది చూసారు? Which one you have watched recent Telugu movie?
Recent Telugu movie, now I was supposed to watch Crack. I didn't watch.
Crack.
Last film I saw was Na Peru Surya only. My film only.
Your film only
After that,
you
I
watched.
didn't get time because I was in Bombay, and then
Okay.
lockdown also happened, full year. But yeah, but Crack I will be watching. Crack is still very much famous in Bombay right now.
Okay.
Yeah, the theaters are still full there.
So Sai Dharam Tej was very friendly with you at the
Friendly,
sets?
very friendly, approachable. We finished the movie very nicely. We partied also, and then yeah, we never met after that.
Okay. So future projects, any future projects?
Future
in
projects
Telugu?
is we are in.
Overall.
I'm in talks with a couple of directors, very well-known directors right now, तो अभी कुछ एडवांस
You don't
बोलने
want to reveal those names.
I don't want to reveal till I crack, because what did I say? Till I don't get it, I will be going on it.
Okay.
So once I do it, but I have met a few people from Geeta Arts. I've met from Maitri Talkies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've met all of them, and luckily they have seen my work. So meeting them this time compared to महाभारत के बाद जैसा मिल रहा था, उसमें थोड़ा सा फर्क है.
Yeah.
अब मैं अगर उनको पता चला कि मैं आया हूँ तो सिंघम त्रिवलन काम सर सिंघम त्रिवलन सर.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's easier.
So very all the best. And,
Thank you.
Prayer, congratulations.
Thank you so
Hope
much.
you have a huge success
Thank
in your
you.
career.
Arey, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best.